You hear my voice in many videos. But today, something is different. Today, I want to tell you about me. My name is Alex. I'm an English teacher. And this is my story. I come from a small town near the sea. I grew up there with my family. Our house was small, but warm. I remember the sound of the waves at night. I remember the smell of fresh bread in the morning. Life there was slow and simple. And honestly, I loved it. Now, let me tell you about my family. There are 4 of us. My mother, my father, my sister, and me. My mother is kind and quiet. She makes the best soup in the world. My father is funny. He tells the same jokes every year. But we laugh every time. My sister is 2 years younger than me. She lives in another city now. We talk on the phone every week. I'm very proud of her. My family is far away, but they are always in my heart. So, how did I become a teacher? The truth is, it started with a book. When I was 10, my uncle gave me an English storybook. I could not understand many words. But I loved the pictures and the sounds of the words. Little by little, English became my favorite thing. Step by step, I learned more and more. And one day, I knew my dream. I wanted to teach English. Now, teaching is my life. Every day, I meet students from many countries. Some are young, and some are old. But they all have one dream. They want to speak English well. And I want to help them. That's why I started this channel. Slow English Listening. Here, I speak slowly and clearly. Just for you. My daily life is very simple. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I make a cup of coffee. Then I sit by the window and watch the quiet street. This is my favorite part of the day. After breakfast, I record videos and teach my classes. In the evening, I go for a walk. Walking helps me relax. At night, I read a little, and then I sleep. It's a simple life, but it's a happy one. I have some small hobbies, too. Music is a big part of my life, especially soft piano songs. I also enjoy cooking, but I'm not very good at it. And of course, I love stories. Stories from books, stories from movies, and stories from my students. When I listen to a good story, I feel at home. Maybe you feel the same way. But like everyone, I have a dream. One day, I want to travel around the world. I want to see new countries and try new food. And most of all, I hope to meet my students, face to face. Maybe one day, I will meet you, too. That thought makes me smile. So, now you know me a little better. I'm Alex, a simple teacher with a big dream. Thank you for listening to my story today. If you want to learn English with me every day, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it helps me a lot. And if you enjoyed my story, watch my daily routine next. We'll talk again soon. Until then, take care. Bye.